are going to love the 2017 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, heated seats, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, fog lights, security system, heated steering wheel, rear window defroster, power windows, CD player, trip computer, heated front seats, brake assist, tachometer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.